Today, we're going to... Saan tayo pupunta? Today's vlog, pupunta tayo sa swimming pool. At, anong gagawin natin?
Swim holding river knows it. Welcome to a vlog today. I will sing a nice new song.
Ayan.
I was in school. When could you care of me when I was a baby? We're waiting for the
What are you singing? Titi? So,
I will sing something.
okay.
When I was in love and Christmas, when Santa gave me presents, when I was a princess, when I grown up, I went to school today.
Is that your lyrics?
And I was in school, I was a baby, then could you care of me? Then she was in school with me, and I wasn't never sure.
Very good. That's a nice lyrics, anak.
Two,
How about how you gonna...
two.
Siguro ang tahimik yan ni Malix. Hindi siguro So, nandito kami sa train going to Plingern S5. 6 minutes from main station, makakarating tayo sa station ng swimming. Tapos maglalakad tayo ng 400 meters going there. So, medyo mainit na. Kaya, sige, samahan niyo kami mamaya.
Kaya pala hindi na makasama si Alvin pag mamalayo kasi pagod na girl. Kindergarten.
Nakarating na kami sa aming location. Ito yung entrance ng swimming pool. Bibili na rin kami ng ticket para sa aming entrance. Medyo kokonti pa yung mga tao. Sit down! 1, 2... Go! Let's go now! Let's go! Yay! Bawal masyadong makuha ng video kaya konting clips lang.
What a change you made for me. What an effect you've had. What was life before we met? How could it be so different? What a change you made for me. You are the best thing in you are the best thing in
Ang ganda naman dito, oh.
Alex, you're the pirate. You have to bring me to there.
Go, Alex!
Taking your treasure. I'm gonna get your treasure, Alex. No!
naligo. After namin mag-swimming, dito naman kami sa McDonald's para kumain. Ayan sila. Hi, mga kabanding ko. Ayan. Ayan, busy silang kumain.
Video ko yata yung Terry. Tapos na yung ating camera.
Put your hand away. Kami ngayon ay pauwi na, alas 6 na ng gabi at may araw pa. Pauwi na kami galing ng swimming pool ko. Medyo pagod na yung mga bata kaya hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog. See you in our next vlog. Bye guys!